Ladies and gentlemen, Syed Salahuddin, who has been nurtured and protected by the Pakistani army, has lost his footing in the Kashmir Valley. His closest aide, Riaz Naiku, was gunned down by our forces. Pakistan's General Qamar Bajwa is trembling in his boots also tonight because he knows that the operation in Awantipora was just a trailer.
Pakistan continues to provide support to terrorists. All attempts are made to train them, prepare them for infiltration in whatever way possible, and then carry out violence in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I think they are getting frustrated with the kind of peace they are witnessing in the state or in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And this frustration is compelling them to ensure that they up the ante.
Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat exposed the real face of Pakistan while speaking to Republic TV on Sunday. Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravne warned of a response with precision. So today, when forces entered Pakistan proxy and Syed Salahuddin aide terrorist Riaz Naiku's residence and eliminated him, they showed Pakistan and its rogue army a trailer of what a proportionate reply means. Rattled, Pakistan has reportedly activated 60 terror launch pads along the line of control and the international border. Sources have told Republic TV that movement of 470 terrorists has been spotted and they are reportedly moving in groups of 5 to 7, in some places even in groups of 2s and 3s. So as Pakistan continues to provide cover fire to terrorists through ceasefire violations, 14 in 7 days, it is yet to come to terms with the Naiku shock. No wonder their media portals are bawling over his death, calling him a martyr. Like their former Prime Minister did when our forces neutralized their proxy Burhan Wani.
Burhan Wani, the young leader murdered by Indian forces, has emerged as a symbol of the latest Kashmiri intifada.
The Pakistani establishment hasn't forgotten surgical strikes. We know it hasn't forgotten Balakot airstrikes either, and are sure that it knows the elimination of 6 terrorists in the valley in the last 3 days is just a prequel to what's coming their way. Let's debate.
And there was breaking news today, Gaurav, in Pakistan, Pakistani radio, Pakistani television, that this fellow has been killed. What's his name? Naiku. We never knew that they had built him up to be some great hero in Pakistan. Sense of loss, Pakistani radio, breaking news, India kills Naiku. I mean, he's a martyr. But I want to ask you, RSN, and you can come into the debate with Brigadier Haris Nawaz from Karachi. What did they expect? Did they think we'll not kill him? I mean, RSN, I don't understand these Pakistanis. We were going to kill him. Question was, do we kill him in 2 days? Or 2 weeks or 2 months? But we're going to kill him. And there's no doubt about it. So RSN, I don't know what they were getting at.
I mean, now look at the viciousness of Pakistan. The Ramzan doesn't restrain them, nor Corona restrains them. The factories are in full production. There are, as per intelligence, there are about 16 factories, going, in overdrive in Pakistan. And if you read General Bajwa's, message in that, green book published by the National Defence University, he has got a shock. He says that, the Balakot strike and abrogation of Article 370 has changed the geopolitics of the region, and he obliquely hints that the jihad will continue. But let me tell you, I mean, my Pakistani friends say, look, Indian army is not like Pakistan army. We are not a jihadi army. It's a professional army. And we had a minor setback 2 days back. And look what we have done. And today, there are any number of volunteers, any number of volunteers to take on the jihadis and your jihadism. And let me tell you, you are up against an invincible wall. you can keep, Brigadier, you can keep banging your head against that wall. You will bleed. I mean, you are such cowards. Nothing dissuades you. क्या ये रमजान में कर रहे हो? रमजान में फैक्ट्रियां चला रहे हैं आप जिहादियों की? And shame on you. Are you a professional army? Are you a jihadi army or are you a professional army?
Okay, let him reply to you. Let him reply to you.
Up against a wall.
Let him reply to you, RSN. Thank you for introductory comments. You see, Brigadier Haris Nawaz, I also feel that there are about 470 terrorists who you've kept along launch pads in the LOC. Now, believe me, there is no strategy here. Gaurav is on the debate. Gaurav, I think I would make a request to them that जितना जल्दी हो सके उनको भेजिए ताकि हमें थोड़ा सा जल्दी 4,470 या 4,000 जितने भी इनके terrorists हैं, they should be sent, Brigadier Nawaz. You should send them quickly because we are waiting for them. We're going to kill them.
Arnab,
And we are a killing machine when it comes to Pakistan.
I just wanted to speak to Brigadier Saab.
Yeah, tell Brigadier Saab. Brigadier Saab is not responding.
I just want to understand.
Brigadier
from,
Nawaz is not
Brigadier Saab se
responding.
sawal
I think he is a bit stunned at what we are saying.
I am listening. I am ready to respond whenever you took my time.
Yeah, you please respond. What I'm saying to you is that,
Yeah. All right. So
let him
I would
respond.
like to
Let him
ask
respond,
you, Brigadier
Gaurav.
Nawaz, sir. My question is, my question to you is, sir, that your chief, Qamar Javed Bajwa, General Bajwa says, Balakot changed the geopolitical scenario in South Asia. That is in that Green Book 2020, of which I have a copy, sir, I have a PDF, in which he says that it changed the geopolitical scenario. But your people say that there were only a few trees and a few crows killed. So how does the death of 2-3 crows change the geopolitical scenario of South Asia, sir? That is question number one. Question number two.
Listen.
Riaz Naiku was a terrorist. He was killed. Pakistan, I have my question in two parts, sir. Riaz Naiku was a terrorist. He's killed. Pakistan itself claims everywhere that it's suffering from terrorism. Don't you think that the snakes that you have reared in your own backyard will bite you? Or do you think that you're immune from all the snake bites?
You see, the point is, why do we Pakistan need to send anyone to India when you have already done a lot of favor to the Kashmiris? You have locked down 80 to 90 lakhs. And the way you have presented them and you have sorted them out and they've been locked up with everything cut out from the world. So you are creating religious movement. Pakistan is very happy. We don't need to do anything. You see, the way you have killed a lot of people.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Old people.
My apologies, I'm interrupting you, sir. But I wanted to ask you, you're saying that this is done by Kashmiris and Pakistan has not done anything, sir. Sir, is Hafiz Saeed a Pakistani or a Kashmiri?
Is Syed Salahuddin, where is Syed Salahuddin? Ask
a
him.
UN terrorist by the United Nations Security Council. The UN Security Council has declared him a terrorist. Is he a Pakistani Punjabi or is he a Kashmiri, sir?
See, the point is, Hafiz Saeed is already in prison. He's out of everything. He's in prison.
Is he a Pakistani Punjabi or a Kashmiri? Question number one. Is he a Pakistani Punjabi or a Kashmiri? Question number one. Answer that and I'll let you move on.
Question number two. Maulana Masood Azhar, is he a Pakistani Punjabi or a Kashmiri, sir?
Irrelevant.
Of course it matters. He's a Pakistani Punjabi killing Kashmiris. That's what he's doing.
In Punjab or are they in Kashmir, sir?
The point is, what
There's no point. GD Bakshi is also on the debate. GD sir, I think we've got 1 minute. GD Bakshi, I think we got the Brigadier Fox. He needs help.
The point is, they're all
Brigadier Nawaz, can I kindly?
They are now sorting to army.
General Bakshi to Brigadier Nawaz.
What you have done with the and to Kashmiris.
Louder, sir, louder with General Bakshi, louder.
Brigadier Nawaz, can I kindly make a point? Thank you. Brigadier Nawaz, what I want to inform you is, last month, you know, the Afghan army, they had hit one of the camps opposite Paktia, you know, in the Nangarhar province, which was being run by the Jaish-e-Mohammed in concert with the Taliban. They had sent their people to get training, gain operational experience, and Jishan, one of their people, when he was caught and interrogated, he said there were 7 such camps where the Jaish-e-Mohammed is training about 400 terrorists in collaboration with the Taliban. And they are just planning to induct them into Jammu and Kashmir. You know, we had very clearly made it amply clear to you that if you mess around in Kashmir, if you spill Indian blood, you will have to pay a price. We will escalate gradually, but we will take the level to which you are forced to desist from such hostile acts. We launched the surgical strikes after Uri. For 2-3 months, things were quiet. Then, after Pulwama, we launched the Balakot airstrikes, and for about a year, things were quiet. Once again, we find that your army has decided to get adventurous and aggressive. You are either hoping that our government is so bogged down with the coronavirus problem of saving the lives of our citizens that we will not react to whatever provocation you are giving in Jammu and Kashmir. We are going to react, and you know, you may have gotten yourself. Thank you. Please.
Sir, what has happened now? Now I want to highlight, sir. The point is, what have we done in Pulwama? You know what has happened to your army, how you lost. And every time you're talking about, then go for try another misadventure. Prime Minister.
1 minute, Brigadier Nawaz, you know what you just said. 1 minute. Viewers, 1 minute. Viewers, 1 minute. Oh, why? Wait a minute right there. Wait a minute.
What?
Freudian slip. Wait a minute. Caught him there. Caught him red-handed. Brigadier Haris Nawaz is a very integral member of the Pakistani security establishment. He is on several committees and works very closely with the ISI. On Indian television, he has just admitted that the Pakistani army carried out Pulwama. He just said, you saw that, Shazia? He said, do you know what we did in Pulwama? You said it. Did he say it, Shazia? Did he say it, Gaurav?
No. Why should I say we have done anything? We don't need to do anything. We are not interested.
You said what we did in Pulwama. Oh, you said it. Don't retract. Don't retract. You said it. You said it. Did you say it or not? I'll play the tape again. Let's get the part out.
We are no concerned to do anything in Kashmir.
You just said you carried out Pulwama. What did you mean by that?
You just said on television that we did it.
Gaurav, he said it.
It's on record.
Who carried out Pulwama?
Yes, he said
Absolutely, Arnab.
He said it.
Not at all.
He said it. I'll play the tape. RSN, did he say it? RSN, did he say it?
2 मिनट में निकल जाएगा.
RSN बोला कि नहीं बोला इन्होंने?
निकल जाएगा रिकॉर्ड से 2 मिनट.
He said it.
It did say it, and there are articles in the Green Book. There are articles in the Green Book which say categorically say so.
नहीं, आपने बोला when we carried out Pulwama. आपने बोला टेलीविजन पर, गौरव बोला, शाजिया बोलने के बाद भागते क्यों? बोला तो मानो. You said when we carried out Pulwama. You said what we did in Pulwama. You said what. Kamar Chima बोला कि नहीं बोला? कमर चीमा बोला कि नहीं बोला? कमर बोला कि नहीं बोला? What we did in Pulwama बोला कि नहीं बोला? बेशर्मी इतनी. कमर and Shazia on the debate. Kamar and Shazia on the debate.
Arnab, you are in habit of confusing the audience always. And let me what General Bajwa says, the strategic balance, the things have literally changed because you violated international law.
Shazia बोला कि नहीं?
You violated international law. You are in violation of international law. This is what
louder, Shazia, louder, please. Thank you, Shazia. Now with Mona Alam.
Death of local militancy and Salahuddin's agent of death in India has been eliminated. So obviously my Pakistani friends out there are having a real bad day. It is time to commend our forces. Well done and say Jai Hind. Because the way we've carried this out just shows that Salahuddin and ISI will now have to do far more, and this is a death knell for them and to local terror outfit. So I'm sorry, my friends from across the neighbor, there is from across the border, there is nothing friendly about what you've been doing during this pandemic, during Ramzan. how you have been violating the ceasefire, but this is a tight slap across all efforts for you all to vitiate the atmosphere, and also to prove the fact that yes, the way Indian forces carried this out, it is time to say Jai Hind to all the forces and to all of you over there. I understand you are rattled, but you know something? We are not going to let up. We will not let up, Mona ji. Mona ji, I'm sure you feel very, very bad today.
Shazia Bibi.
But I'm really feeling sorry for you, a part of me. But the fact of the matter is, this is great triumph for India.
Please feel sorry for your army. Please feel sorry for your slain Indian soldiers and your Indian army officers. I feel sorry for them too. Because I do not celebrate any loss of life, but I want to put an end to what you're doing. I want to put an end
very sorry for Salahuddin, you know.
But
when I say sorry, I mean only politely. Because to be fair, I think
Mona, my question is to you. Mona, why did Brigadier Haris Nawaz say? My question to you is, Gaurav, why did Brigadier Haris Nawaz say what we did in Pulwama? Who was he referring to, Gaurav? He said what we did in Pulwama. Why did he say that?
The Pakistani army and the ISI.
Who doesn't know that Kashmir?
He was referring to the Pakistani and ISI, Arnab. Who else?
Local angle kya hoga?
When he says we, it is understood that he is
mentioning that Kashmiri boy has killed.
No, you said what we did.
He killed your army, or you punished him, you tortured him. Bring me to the point here, retaliate. That was the reason. I think you all understand.
See,
when you cross these lines, you know Pakistan Army what has done.
Let me ask you a question, Brigadier Sahab. Brigadier Sahab, tell me something.
Kamar will reply.
Something. You talk about humanity at every turn. You talk about humanity. Humanity का नाम लेते नहीं थकते आप. Let us say Adil Ahmed Dar, the suicide bomber of Pulwama, was manhandled. Let us assume, आप कह रहे हैं हम मान लेते हैं. Sir, आपने बोला हमने मान लिया कि the suicide bomber Adil Ahmed Dar, who carried out Pulwama, was manhandled. चलिए उसको मारा पीटा मतलब 40 बेगुनाह आदमियों को लेके मार देगा.
कमर.
तो आपने मारा ना, उसको आपने जो जुल्म किया वो क्या करेगा?
Is this what you are teaching your people? That अगर तुम्हें किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा तो 40 बेगुनाह लोगों जिनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है तुम्हारे साथ, तुम उनको जान से मार दो. आप कह रहे हैं ना उसको, मैं तो ये कह रहा हूं कि उसको कोई मिसट्रीट नहीं करा. आप कह रहे हैं मैं आपकी बात मान लेता हूं. आप सीनियर है मुझसे. अब आप बताइए, आदिल अहमद
GD Bakshi is on the way. GD is taking over. Gaurav, let GD come in. Gaurav, let GD come in. GD.
आदिल क्यों नहीं मारेगा? आप मुझे बताएं. When you put a cat even in the room and it is locked from the, she will retaliate. That's what those poor men are doing. What done it? What Yassin Isu has done it, and now the Raj has done it, and now you see there a lot of Rouhani will be coming up. There a lot of Rouhani will come up again. It's indigenous movement. You have put the
Brigadier Saab, so will a lot of bhuktis. Please listen to me. So will a lot of bhuktis arrive. Make their debut in Baluchistan. You know what you have been doing there. You are hardly in a place to call us names. You have been carrying out absolute butchery. You have been carrying out absolute butchery in Baluchistan. You have the guilt of the Muhajirs on your hand. You have the guilt of the Shias and also of the Ahmadiyas on your hand. You have carried out close to genocide in Gilgit-Baltistan.
You have any answer. You have
Please look within.
You know the whole world is talking, but why the
I just want to ask you 1 second, sir. 1 minute. Sir, may I ask you? May I ask you a small point, sir? So 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I always believe Brigadier Haris Nawaz. I have a theory in life and I want to share it with you today. I always believe that you should know exactly where you stand. And you should know what you're good for. You should know your strengths, but you should know your weaknesses always. Because Gaurav, only when you know your weaknesses will you end up being realistic. Now these people, I feel so sorry for them, Gaurav, in Pakistan. They keep saying China, 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 China. China will save us. 1 minute, 1 minute. Question is this. Do you know, Mona, that, do you know who is the world's largest ground army in the world? We have overtaken. No. Our population is smaller than China. But I'm happy to inform you. I'm happy to inform you. Listen to me, no, Mona. Mona, you don't know these military matters. I'm happy to inform you. I'm happy to inform you.
I'm also happy to inform you about
I'm happy to inform you.
Matters. You know,
the matter is,
and the people who are photographing Kashmiris are
no, you are not aware of these very detailed matters. The fact is, Mona,
what world are you living
Mona, which world are you in? In March this year, the great Indian Army became the world's largest ground force, overtaking China. 1.4 million fully armed and trained military personnel. We will walk into Lahore and you won't even be able to count the line.
Right.
Gaurav, why don't you tell Qamar Chima the good news? We will crush you like a mosquito. Gaurav, please tell them.
I suppose legend only has to
Gaurav, tell Chima.
The more inefficient, untrained and coward army.
I will tell you, Qamar Chima. कमर चीमा ने फोन ही अलग कर दिया. मैं क्या कमर चीमा को बताऊं, फोन अलग कर दिया. हाँ, अब ठीक है. कमर चीमा, लेट मी टेल यू, राइट, जो आप लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना, जनरल साहब ने बात करी बुक्ति की. इस फोन में बुक्ति, मरी, मेंगल, कौन से सरदार का नंबर चाहिए मुझे बोलो, मैं दूंगा बलोचिस्तान में लोकेशन के साथ. व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगा, आपका नंबर है मेरे पास. आई विल व्हाट्सएप यू द नंबर. उसके लिए मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं कि जो कर रहे हो ना कश्मीर में, जो कर रहे हो ना कश्मीर में, जो कर रहे हो ना कश्मीर में, उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा बलोचिस्तान में झेलना पड़ेगा. हवा नहीं लगेगी. एक बात ध्यान रखना, कश्मीर है 145 किलोमीटर बटा 45 किलोमीटर, इतना सा है कश्मीर जिसके पीछे हल्ला कर रहे हो. Balochistan is 45% the size of Pakistan. 45% of Pakistan's landmass is Balochistan. ठीक है, आज नहीं तो 10 साल के बाद, 20 साल के बाद बलोचिस्तान एक आजाद मुल्क होगा. और जिस तरीके से बांग्लादेश में जाने के लिए पासपोर्ट चाहिए, उसी तरीके से बलोचिस्तान में जाने के लिए पासपोर्ट चाहिए होगा. और बलोचिस्तान की आजादी के लिए हम खड़े हैं साथ में अपने बलोच भाइयों के. ठीक है, सुनो, गौरव आर्या को छोड़ो, मुझे मेरा नाम पता है. और अब मेरी बात समझो कमर चीमा, कमर चीमा, मेरी बात समझो. जो कश्मीर कश्मीर करते हो ना, तुम्हारी हवा निकाल देंगे, हवा. बहुत 30 साल से तुमने कश्मीर में खून बहा लिया. अब तुम देखना बलोचिस्तान में क्या होता है. बुक्ति, डेरा बुक्ति, डेरा बुक्ति में कौन सा एड्रेस चाहिए बोलो. डेरा बुक्ति में कौन सा एड्रेस चाहिए बताओ. मेंगल, मरी ट्राइब, किसका नंबर चाहिए, कौन है बोलो मुझे. क्या बात कर रहे हो, क्या बात कर रहे हो मुझसे, क्या बात कर रहे हो. अभी बलोचिस्तान के अंदर पाकिस्तानी फौज का इतना खून बहेगा कि कुछ साल के बाद पासपोर्ट लेके जाना पड़ेगा वहां पे मेरे दोस्त. जैसे ईस्ट पाकिस्तान में जाते हो पासपोर्ट लेके, मोना तुम्हें भी जाना पड़ेगा. तुम मुंह मत खोलो, यू विल आल्सो नीड अ पासपोर्ट. So don't interrupt. Don't measure साहब me. Don't measure साहब me. I'm not in the mood. Long live Balochistan freedom struggle, where Qamar Chima, Mona Alam, and also Brigadier Saab will have to take a passport.
Long live the Baluchi freedom struggle. Long live every Baluchi freedom fighter. Long live every Baluchi freedom fighter. Absolutely, Mona. And by the way, Mona, I want to tell you, Mona, I want to talk to you. Shazia and Mona, please. 1 minute. Mona, listen to me. Mona and Shazia, I want to tell you, there are two things which are important. Mona, listen to me. The question is,
बता दो कि जो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल होगी बलूचिस्तान में और वो जो कैप्चर की जाएगी उसके फोटोग्राफ्स के लिए हम भी अवार्ड देंगे. पुलिट्जर के बाप होंगे वो अवार्ड जो बलूचिस्तान की और बलूची लोगों की फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल पर होंगे. सुन लीजिए आप. कश्मीर को बता दो कि वो जो पूरी डॉक्यूमेंट होगी हिस्ट्री वहाँ पे फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल जो बलूचिस्तान में चल रहा है पाकिस्तान की टेरनी के खिलाफ, पाकिस्तान की टिरनी के खिलाफ उसको एक एक चीज को डॉक्यूमेंट किया जाएगा और दुनिया भर के लोग उसको अवार्ड देंगे और फोटो जर्नलिस्ट को। मोना जी फिर आपसे पूछेंगे, मोना जी बहुत मायूस होंगी आप आज। You must be terribly disappointed, Mona. But the fact of the matter is that Salahuddin's agent of death in India has been eliminated.
Absolutely.
This young man who killed so many policemen, this young man who looted the farmers, who killed truck drivers, who used audio and video clips to promote the separatist ideology, who worked against the benefit and prosperity of Kashmir at your behest, Mona, and your masters, has now been liquidated and eliminated.
Mona, may I intervene right now, Shazia, because I'm a great believer in, I'm a great believer in reality checks, and just some time back I had the pleasure of telling a Pakistani panelist that we have become the largest ground army. Now, I also want to tell you the biggest issue. There's a statement that has come out apparently from the office of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, RSN, where they have said that the biggest problem in Pakistan today are locusts. I don't know, locust ko Hindi mein kya kehte hain? Locust. They say there is a 800. हाँ? क्या बोलते हैं?
उर्दू में टिड्डी दल कहते हैं, उर्दू में
क्या बोलते हैं गौरव? टिड्डिया या टिड्डिया
It's like a deema,
it's like a टिड्डिया. No, it's not a deema. Okay. The thing is, Mona, I want to ask you, Mona, listen. Listen. It's not a joke. RSN is not a joke. They say our economy has come to a complete halt because of टिड्डिया. The biggest problem in Pakistan are titties, locusts, desert locusts. Desert locusts. There is no food.
It destroys crops and it will destroy your coast.
Forget about Pakistan, forget about Kashmir. Let's talk about Kashmir, that is happening with you. Young Kashmiri is going to sort you out.
Mona, okay, Mona, is this a... Okay, Mona, will you tell me, are the desert locusts your biggest issue or not?
A journalist is supposed to be updated with the common man's problem, and you are so disconnected. You sit in your comfortable AC studios,
Pakistani panelists,
you wander around these
some
Indian
questions.
panelists.
Just two questions.
They're so obedient. They're so subservient to you. You do not know the common man's problem. Tiddy Dal is a problem in India as well, by the way.
No, we have a bumper crop.
1 minute, madam.
We have the largest agricultural produce. We are a technologically advanced country. We don't fight tiddies.
One minute. I'm not going into all this.
Okay, RSN, we are closing very quickly, please.
नहीं मेरे दो सवाल.
Come
in your jihadi training camps, how many Sindhis and Balochis are there?
Major साहब सुन ले
To my information, it is nil.
Point to point.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Major Gaurav Arya.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. नहीं, आप और ये बताइए कि what is the percentage of Punjabis in the army? ये दोनों सवाल का आप जवाब दीजिए.
Thank you, Gaurav.
How many Sindhis and Balochis are there in the jihadi camps?
To create mess in Pakistan.
And what is the percentage of Punjabis? You are Punjabi, you know your accent.
Well, I will. Okay. Watch. I will.
You should be tried in security.
Let's close.
All armies exist for defense of their nations. But your army, thrives on Kashmir. Indian army is there to defend the entire country.
I will send you.
Your army, it thrives on Kashmir.
I am going to gift.
That is why.
I am going to gift. I am going to gift you something, Kamar. I am sending you a gift. Imagine what the gift is. I am going to send you a scarecrow, so that you can put it in your farms and you can scare the tiddies. Your biggest problem are your biggest problem are desert locusts. I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The Pakistanis are in a state of shock.